Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to another wonderful recipe. In this video today I want to share with you how to use alligator pepper to call money from any country. How you can use alligator pepper to call money from any country. Now this video is not for everybody. This video is for business owners, hustlers, freelancers, people that have online presence. So if you're into online store, you have online store, you're into buying and selling, you have Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and all other social media platforms. You have, your presence out there. You are buying and selling. You can use alligator pepper to attract customers, clients, you know, jobs with alligator pepper in any country that you want. Okay, so this is something that you should take serious. Okay, this is something that you should take serious and make sure that you follow it the way I'll direct you in this video. Okay, it's going to help you attract clients from any country. Right? Alligator pepper is something that's very, very powerful that so many people don't know. Okay, it's a messenger, a powerful messenger, and it doesn't come back without accomplishing the mission which it was sent to. Okay, so if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm saying a very big welcome to you. All I want from you is to subscribe and give this a thumbs up if you like this teaching. Okay, so if you're online business owner, if you're into freelancer, if you're into buying and selling online, you can use alligator pepper to call money from any country. Yes. Okay, whether US, UK, Europe, Canada, anywhere, you can use alligator pepper to call money. Now, this is alligator pepper. Okay, what you need to do is to go and buy this alligator pepper. Anywhere they are selling alligator pepper, it can be in a spiritual shop, it can be in a mall, it can be anywhere they are selling herbs. You can ask of alligator pepper and they're going to, give it to you if they have it. Okay, or you can make an order. If you don't know how to get it, or you don't know a way you can get it, you can make order. Okay, so when you get this alligator pepper, the first thing that you should do is to open it behind you. That is the first thing to do. Okay, don't open it from your front. When you open it from your front, the alligator pepper will not be effective. It has rules. Alligator pepper has rules. It has principles, right? So when you open it behind you, you are going to bring it to your front. Now this recipe, this assignment is something that you're going to do in the morning, not in the night. Okay. Every morning when you wake up, just open the alligator pepper, bring it to your front and take out 4 seed. Now that 4 seed is the 4 corners of the universe. The east, the west, the north, and the south, right? Now when you get that 4 seed, you're going to put it inside your palm like this. Just pour that 4 seed inside your palm. Okay. Now when you pour that 4 seed inside your palm, you make a prayer with it. Okay. You make a prayer with it. You call clients, you call customers from any country that you wish to. Okay. You call them that they should locate you, that they should come and buy what they are selling. You call money from the east, from the west, from the north, from the south. That money will come to you. Okay. This will be your prayer point. And as you are praying, be having faith, be believing. Okay. Because faith is very, very important when it comes to spiritual practice. Okay. Don't allow doubt, don't allow fear. Put your faith into it. Okay. Now after making that prayer with that alligator pepper on your palm, you are going to put that 4 seed of that alligator pepper inside your mouth and you chew it. Okay. And as you are chewing it, you are going to be making a prayer. So saying that as you have mentioned these things with your mouth, so shall it be. As you have used this mouth to call money, as alligator pepper is something that is very powerful that go on the journey and come back accomplishing the mission which it was sent to. That as you have mentioned money to come to you from the east, from the west, from the north, from any part of the country or any part of the world, that so shall it be for you. Okay. Now after making that prayer, you are going to know that alligator pepper right up on the sky on 4 different directions: the east, the west, the north, and the south. Okay. Blow it up on the sky on 4 different directions: east, the west, the north, and the south. Now this spiritual assignment is something that you're going to be doing every morning for 7 days. Okay. Once you have finished doing, your morning duty and your rituals and you're about to leave to your shop, or you're about to start your online, presence, like you want to upload content or you want to upload your products. Do this assignment, okay, before you start your day in the morning. That's what I mean. Do it before you start your day in the morning. Okay. This simple act, this simple, you know, assignment is going to change the story of your life. It's going to bring money from any part of the world to you. Don't be surprised when you're going to be getting clients that are going to be paying you in thousands of dollars or pounds or euros. Okay, so this particular assignment with Alligator is going to make you get money from any part of the country, from any country. I'm sorry. Okay, it's going to help you get money from any country. Okay, so if you know how to get this alligator pepper, just try and do this assignment. Okay, it's going to help you get money from any country. Okay, you don't need to wait. You don't need to waste time. Start doing it today. In the morning, just get your alligator pepper and start doing it. Okay, it's a powerful assignment that is going to change the story of your life. Okay, so this assignment is something that you shouldn't joke with. Whether you're a business owner, whether you are a hustler, a freelancer, okay, once you have online presence, you can do this assignment and it's going to change the story of your life. Okay, so if you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching, you can use the comment section, okay, to ask your question. I've seen so many people that you know don't know how to you know ask question on the comment section. Please, when you want to ask question on the comment section, please try and go straight to the point so that I'll know how to answer you very well. Okay, though I'll be trying my best to understand your questions, but please try and make it easier for me to understand. Please, okay. So this is what I want to share with you guys in this video. If you have not subscribed, like you have not subscribed or you like this channel, please subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, okay, so that YouTube is going to recommend this video to other people so that they're going to see it, okay. I will try my best to be consistent, like uploading videos here in this channel, okay, so that you will learn something as well that will help your life, okay. So make sure that you do this assignment. Just add a little paper. You don't need any other thing. Just add a little paper in the morning for 7 days. In the morning, make sure it is up to 7 days, okay, before you start your day. It's going to change the story of your life. Okay, so that is what you need to do. If you want to talk to me directly, please use the number shown on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number to talk to me directly. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna repeat in this video. Make sure that you get it on this assignment, and you never regret. See you guys in the next video.